You want to add AI to your app, so you wire up a hosted model. Now every click costs tokens, your customer's data leaves your building, and the model knows the entire internet, except your app. This is Bela, a small AI that lives inside your application and runs on a $4 CPU only VPS, no GPU, no API key, no per token bill. And these are not projections. 66 microseconds to handle a command, an 8 megabyte model, trained from nothing in half a second, 99.6% intent accuracy, on one shared core. Bela is not a chatbot. It has no opinions and no small talk. It reads one short command, works out which of your functions to call and with which arguments calls it, and answers in a single line. You hand it one file, the nouns your app cares about, and the actions it is allowed to take. Every action is a function you already wrote. Bela never touches your database. Then something unusual happens. Bela writes its own training data from that file and from your live rows, and trains its own neural network from scratch on your server in half a second. There is no pre-trained language model anywhere inside it. The model is born from your app, and it has no existence outside it. At runtime, it works in tiers, cheapest first. Templates catch everyday phrasing in microseconds. Data number extractors run alongside them. A fuzzy resolver binds loose text to real rows in your database. Only what is left over ever reaches the neural model, which is where it earns its keep. Get Karahi in room 4 appears in none of the templates. The model recognizes the intent, tags the slots, the resolver finds the real menu row and the real room, and the order goes in. And it will never guess on a write. If something is missing, it asks. If two guests are called John, it asks which. If an action is marked sensitive, it stops and waits for an explicit yes, and that cannot be switched off. If it is locked to a role, it refuses. Everything that runs lands in your audit log. When it does get something wrong, the correction is stored and folded into the next retrain. Within weeks, it speaks the way your staff actually speak, including their Roman Urdu shorthand. And a retrain that scores worse is refused, so a bad correction can never make it dumber. There is no hotel, no shop, and no clinic anywhere in the code. Bela ships with zero domain knowledge. Two applications running it never share a model, a vocabulary, or a mistake. It is built like a nervous system. The reflexes are local and guaranteed. A large language model is optional. It plugs in behind them. It may only suggest an action, and that suggestion still passes every safety gate. Take big brain away, and every trained command keeps working. So the arithmetic changes. No tokens, no GPU, no vendor. One small process beside your app on the box you already pay for. 1,200 lines of TypeScript, one dependency, MIT licensed. Bela, the smallest useful AI you can run to operate your own application. Nothing more, nothing less.